Hello everyone, I'm Thomas.
Hello everyone, I'm Carrie.
Today we will introduce the kit for Alphard upgrade to Lexus LM. Okay, let's Carrie to introduce how many parts of this set kit.
Look at this installed the body kit, and for this car it restores the front bumper, grille, and also with this plate for hood. It connects the hood and the grille.
Okay, well, can you introduce some special parts for this set kit?
I think the key point is this grille. Yes, it's the Lexus LM style.
Yeah, it's very nice.
The classical style.
Yes.
And besides the front, it also changes the rear part. For the rear part, it installs the rear bumper. Look at this part. It includes the reflector, and the long chromes for the bumper plate.
Yeah, the chrome is very shiny.
Yeah.
Okay, I have a question. Which year of this kit fit for?
It fits for 2015 to 2020. Yeah.
And if I want to change the headlight, do you have the kit? Is this kit fit for my car?
Yes, we have another body kit. It needs to change the hood, fenders, headlights, front bumper, and the grills and the rear bumpers. It's another new body kit.
Okay.
It will change to be the same size with the Lexus LM style.
Okay, I see. Yeah. Okay, this is a simple style body kit for Alphard to upgrade to Lexus LM. If you are interested, please leave your message or contact our sales.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.